Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this pizza cutter. They actually sent me two of them, so I unwrapped one of them and wanted to show you the packaging because it comes in a really nice box. So you can give this as a gift or, of course, keep it for yourself, but it has the nice plastic around it. And then it has this little guard all the way around there that you just simply peel up and take it out. But it's nice that it has that little protective sheath on there. So that is really cool. Now the actual tool itself, you've got about a 3-inch blade. It's all one piece all the way through here. Nice soft handle that, it's easy to hold on to. And you have the little hole if you wanted to hook that in to your nail or wherever you wanted to hang it up. The little guard, so that way you don't accidentally cut yourself. But it's all stainless steel, and we will give this thing a test. So I just got some bread here, and we'll roll it right across. That cuts that pretty good. Let's get it again. That's a nice sharp blade to be able to get through. This is some pretty heavy bread. So you're cutting through pizzas or anything, you've got a nice sharp blade to be able to cut it. You can easily wash it in the sink or put it in the dishwasher. But this one will be great for any kitchen, any home.